Hello, my creepy little glammies. It is spooky season. That's right, it's Halloween time. And we're gonna go a little BarbieCore with our Halloween this time. We're gonna call it Barbie's Halloween Town, maybe, something like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. So we're gonna do a French. We're gonna do 3 Frenches, but I'm gonna show you one because they're all the same. And it's this real pretty pinky creamy color from Modelones. Most of what we use on this one is Modelones. There's one additional thing by Gelixir, which we'll get to in a little bit. But we're going to do a pretty French, kind of a mid-length. I needed room because our French is also going to be an ombre. That's right. We're going to ombre everything today, except, of course, the nail bed. The nail bed's going to be that pretty color. Then we're going to come in with this real pretty pink. And that's where our Barbie comes in. And we're going to put the same pink on our Frenches. But, of course, we're going to ombre that with a little black because it is Halloween. We want to keep it spooky up in the house. I've been watching a little bit of horror, not enough. I need to really ramp it up. Normally during Halloween month, which of course everyone else calls October, I watch horror every day. And some years, all I watch pretty much is horror all day long. I have not really gone that hard with it this year. I'm not even sure exactly why. I mean, I've been kind of busy with having, grandkids come over or me go over to them and trying to get the channel and my TikTok back on track, right? And then just summer. It's summer. It still feels like summer here in Las Vegas because like today it's going to be 90 degrees. So that's not our hard summer. Of course, that's more like 110 to 115. But there's our set. There's our really pretty set. I have a small admission to make here, which you can clearly see I've already drawn the pumpkins. And the thing that happened, what had happened, is that on this phone that I'm using, you can pause the recording, and I did that when I was doing the ombres on all the other nails, and then I forgot to unpause it. So oops. The thing about the iPhone is that it won't do that, but this is a Samsung and it will, and I do like that, but I have to stay on top of it and really not make mistakes. And so honestly, I think that's my main mistake in this video, is that I didn't show you the pumpkin drawing. But a pumpkin shape is sort of like a heart, but the rounded parts on both sides, right? Sort of. If you think about it, like it's the 2 rounded parts on the top of the heart, then flip it and do a soft heart on the bottom, and boom, you've got a pumpkin. So there you go. Now, all of the nails are going to get this pretty drip treatment is a better word. Yeah, that's right, treatment. I'm really on my voiceover game today, guys, as you can tell, and I'm just making my little drips and whatnot. But on the other nails, we're not going to put drips on the actual top. We are going to drip the pumpkins. And this is the part that I got from Votino. He had a set where he had some hearts, and he had drips coming off the hearts in the color that he outlined the hearts with, and I was like, what if that was pumpkins? And so there we go. That's what I did. Pumpkins. You would think I'd had a drink today or something. I'm so hyped up, I guess. I have not had a drink, but honestly, I could go for a beer. Maybe tonight when I take the dog for a walk, I stop at 7-Eleven and grab a beer. I don't drink very often, guys. There's another refreshment that I enjoy more. It's not legal in all the states, so I'll let you figure out what that is. Wink, wink. So now we're coming in with some top coat, and on these French nails, we're gonna add some gems in black. These are actually black Swarovski crystals, so I may just pop them back off these nails when I'm done. That's why I only put top coat down, right? Which normally I do that anyway, because I'm not gonna waste my gem jelly on nails that nobody's gonna wear, right? So if I had stopped right there, it would have looked like Mickey Mouse, right? We might have to do some Mickey Mouse nails. I'm not a big like Disney cartoon fan or anything, or I like Marvel and I like Star Wars, and those are accidentally Disney, but they're not really Disney. So I mean, they're becoming more Disney, whatever. Maybe that's why I don't like Marvel as much anymore. It's gotten real predictable. So let's go ahead and top coat these other two nails. I really need to order some top coat and base coat. Right now for the art nails, I've been using Modelones, but if you have a brand you really like, drop it in the comment section. Let me know about it. Maybe I want to try that. Here is our first serious Halloween set of the year. Love them. Love the BarbieCore aspect of it. And I love the gems, everything. I love everything. I actually really like this set. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and while you're down there, know that I appreciate you so much. We're going to see you next week for more awesome nails. Bye bye.